In today's video, we're going to discuss how to use a financial calculator. In this case, it's the HP 10B2 Plus, and we're going to use a couple different time value of money examples. The first is a 30-year-old investing $10,000 at various rates of return, and these are going to be 8%, 10%, and 12%, and we're going to assume that he's not adding any money on a monthly or annual basis. So it's just starting with the principal amount invested over 40 years until age 70 at 8%, 10%, and 12%. We're going to show the differences. We begin by adding the number of periods. In this case, it's 40 until age 70. We're going to start with 8%, then $10,000 is our principal amount, and that future value is $217,000. Now let's see what it is if we have 10%. It is now $452,000, and at 12%, it is $930,000. So it's $930,000 for 12%. Let's go back down to 8%. That amount is $217,000. So over $700,000 difference with just a 4% difference in rate of return over that 40-year period. Now let's try an example where we're adding $1,000 a month to each of those scenarios. So we're going to go ahead and clear everything out. Let's now switch to 12 monthly payments. We just do that. As you can see, we're going to go up here and add in our 40-year period, which is going to show months now, so 480 months. We're going to go to 8%, 10,000. We're going to add $1,000 a month, or $12,000 annual. That comes out to 3.7 million. Now let's do 10%. $6.8 million for 10%. And then 12%. It's 12.9 million. So as you can see, there's quite a discrepancy with the 2% change in rate of return. As you can see, if we go back to just the 8%, that gets to 3.7. 12 is 13 million approximately. Hopefully this video shows you a little bit more on how to use a HP 10B2 Plus financial calculator. It is very useful in handling your household budget or projecting retirement income or retirement needs. I use it on a very frequent basis, and it can also be applied to loan amortization, which I will talk about in a later video. Thank you very much for watching.